So if I am a business and I am looking for new business, new leads, new contracts, what are some strategies that you would recommend?
So if you're looking for new business leads and you're looking to try and build your customer base, there's lots of different strategies you can do for new business leads, which could include social media ads like Facebook ads and Instagram ads, Twitter ads, YouTube ads, LinkedIn ads. All them can work. You've also then got the organic social media of doing all those just organically without actually paying for sponsored kind of increased posts. You've got pay per click within Google, but also pay per click within Bing, which costs a little bit less and actually does can generate quite a bit of volume. And then you've got search engine optimization of ranking the website higher in Google to generate you more leads. So, in your opinion, obviously nowadays with regards to AI, the LLMs is what people are on about, and ChatGPT and Gemini with the AI overviews in Google. Like, what do you think if a company comes to you now and says, I want new business leads, right? What are you thinking is potentially the best way to go about generating new business leads? So I've not even touched on yet using a lead generation company like Checker Trade and all the rest of them. What do you believe that a business owner should do?
So if I am inexperienced, I don't have an in-house team, I just maybe I'm on the road all the time and I just want new business, I would obviously head over to fatrank.com, because the deal that we obviously have is just incredible. Like, you don't need to pay if you don't convert. You don't even need to pay if you get the leads and it's just not the right fit or they're not the right quality. So that would be strategy number one, but like the easiest strategy.
On that strategy, right? So people's looking for new business leads, and you're saying that obviously at FatRank we do a guaranteed return on investment. What do you call like? What would a business owner call that? Because for me, it's difficult because obviously some people type in commission based lead generation, performance based lead generation, no win, no fee lead generation. But what would you think like a business owner that's looking for new business leads would type in for a service like that?
No risk inquiries or no risk leads, maybe, because
Yeah,
it genuinely is no risk. Like,
yeah,
say for example, if we're going through the process right now, you give me like a handful of leads, I only need to pay you after the job's complete. Like, let's say it's kitchen remodeling, I've went and remodeled somebody's bathroom, I've then been paid, let's say 5 or 6 days after the work's been complete. That's when I basically pay you. So even if a lead basically says, "Oh, you're too expensive" or whatever, I still don't pay you.
yeah.
So that's the obvious answer. But then we always say that you need to be holistic in your marketing strategy and your lead generation strategy. You want to be seen in as many places as possible. So obviously doing local SEO can definitely help. Doing focusing on your Google My Business profile, making certain that that's in the map pack, can definitely help. Um, Doing PPC can help. Doing Facebook ads or meta ads can also help. That's also another reason why we reject a lot of businesses. They don't have a good enough, strong enough digital presence online. Because another thing as well is, even though FatRanks generates the leads, then if you just don't have a strong enough digital presence, or maybe you've got a 5-day old website that's been built on Wix, for example, and it's just not to optimize for your brand name and stuff, we probably won't work with you.
Yeah, for sure. If you are watching this and you are a business owner and you are looking for new business leads, make certain you're heading over to fatrank.com to see whether you qualify. If you don't, there is lots of other opportunities. There's a local software called Free Local, which could then do a subdomain around your website to generate you more local leads. There's obviously other platforms if you're in the trades industry like Checker Trade, Build a Builder, Trust a Trader, you've got Bark. There's lots of options out there for you to generate new business leads. Make certain though, if you are looking for new business leads, you're always tracking those KPIs, seeing what gets you the most return on investment, and then double down in the strategies that's working best for you.